Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something different. I'm going to try to do a knife sale on the channel because I've never done it. So I got a couple videos ready for you guys to see how it goes. And I got 4 knives on the table. We're going to start from this fella right over here. Would you look at this hard case, of course. This fella right over here, it's a Reactor from Greg Lightfoot. It comes with Juma scales. Look at that. It has a wicked Damasteel blade and matching pocket clip right over here. The hardware is from Steve Kelly, all the way around bronze anodized titanium liners, steel lock bar insert right over there. And also it comes with copper pivot collars right over here. And I mean the anodized liners, set of standoff and recurve hollow grind Greg Lightfoot Reactor. This guy is made in Canada and it's gonna be selling for $1,800 US. And of course, remember you can always send offers throughout the website, which is fablades.com, or like just direct here, Instagram, YouTube, wherever you feel to do so. This other guy is Rod Olson. Would you look at this? Gorgeously made knife. Would you look at this? Button lock, Mokutai. This is a button lock, of course, knife made in Canada. It has some zircutai clip with ceramic ball to hold that in place. Mokutai inlays, Damasteel spacer and Damasteel matching blade, hollow grind, very sharp. Rod Olson in the house. It's pretty mint, I have to say. Next one, we got this Jaco de Kock from South Africa. The model is the PL1, and this fella, it's pretty interesting. It is a liner lock. It has some zirca bolsters and carbon fiber scales, zirca clip, and polished titanium geared spacer. Would you look at that? Nice hollow grind, just a little bit of fingerprints, but this guy is pretty much mint. There's just a little dot over here on the pocket clip, but beside that, also it comes with an extra set of hardware, and it's a very sleek one. It comes with a pretty cool case where the certificate of authenticity is directly engraved on the box, and that's pretty cool. Next up, would you look at this fella right over here? And this is an Elishewitz knives Spatha, and it's a very cool one. There's a little detail, like look at the inlaid 14 karat gold maker's mark to accent this shiny flat, which is creating a nice contrast right over here. You see, with the acid washed primary bevel with a hollow grind. Same thing goes for the swedge. It's a liner lock, G10 titanium clip, 4 standoffs, nicely jimped all the way around. This guy will be around $645 US plus the ride. And I've got something else right over here. Where is it? Right over here. This is a bonus. Zermeno knives is a Persian knife, WDZ Zermeno, like new condition, S30V hand rubbed blade, mammoth ivory show side, Mokutai bolster, blue anodized pocket clip, and matching set of 3 standoff, over travel lock bar stabilizer, hardware, and thumb stud as well. So you can deploy this fella as a flipper, and probably, no, as a front flipper, no, but thumb stud for sure, and it's gonna be $4.95. So all these fellas you can get on Fablades fablades.com, or you can just send me an email and we can negotiate a little bit. Don't exaggerate, don't do too much haggling, and I'll make sure that you're gonna be a happy camper. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.